Here we are in Gatlinburg. This is where we stayed. It's the Honeymoon Lodge. Kind of nestled here in the foothills. We're in cabin number 14. And I'm going to take you on a little tour. So you walk in, you have a stairwell. There's a really cute cabin feel to it. Here's the front room here. Heart-shaped jacuzzi for romantic honeymoon. We had 2 kids with us. Here's a little couch. It's got this wood paneling that makes it feel really cabiny. And you walk in the little hallway. Here's our kitchen. They could have stocked the kitchen a little bit better with some things, but it worked. And you have the bathroom in here. And this is actually where we put Jonah's pack and play because it's a huge bathroom. It worked out good. Then you walk over here and you have the main room. King size bed. We started Jackson out on the floor, but he ended up in bed with us. Oh, and it also had a back door here. A little porch. Here's the backyard with some cabins back here. And a little creek. Down there. We love